Imagine a dessert that combines the rich, indulgent flavor of chocolate with the tropical sweetness of pineapple. Introducing the chocolate and pineapple pastry cake. This delightful treat is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a birthday party, a family gathering, or just a cozy night in. The cake starts with a moist chocolate sponge, made from high-quality cocoa powder and fluffy eggs, creating a light yet decadent base. As it bakes, the aroma fills the kitchen, making it impossible to resist. Once cooled, it's time to layer in the magic. A luscious pineapple filling, bursting with juicy flavor, is spread generously between the layers. This filling is made from fresh pineapple, sugar, and a hint of vanilla, giving it a delightful twist. Next comes the frosting. A rich chocolate ganache, made from melting dark chocolate with cream, is poured over the top, creating a glossy finish that's simply irresistible. For an extra touch, sprinkle some toasted coconut flakes on top. They add a crunchy texture and enhance that tropical vibe. Slice into this cake, and watch as the layers reveal themselves. The combination of chocolate and pineapple is a match made in dessert heaven. Each bite offers a perfect balance of sweetness and richness, leaving taste buds dancing with joy. Whether served at a gathering or enjoyed solo with a cup of coffee, this chocolate and pineapple pastry cake is sure to impress. So, why not whip one up? It's a fun baking adventure that promises delicious results. Get ready to treat yourself and others to a slice of paradise. This cake is not just a dessert. It's an experience that brings smiles and satisfaction. Enjoy every bite.